Welcome, and for now I'm using a Huawei Y7 from 2019, and I will show you how to enable the simple mode. So we'll start off by going into settings. From there, scroll all the way down into system, and as you can see now, there is a simple mode. And once you go in there, you can tap on apply, give it a moment. And as you can see now, we're in simple mode, so that's how it looks like. And if you want to leave this mode, you can go back into settings and basically where we were. So you'll need to tap on more settings and go down to system again and safe mode and tap on exit now and give it a moment and it will be back to normal. As you can see, now it's back into normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.